Yeah, what's up, guys? Yeah, let's get into the analysis. Okay, so we're going to the monthly chart. So as we can see on the monthly chart, that point has been hit. It's been hit here, hit here. Blue lines over the red, so it's in an uptrend. You know it's in an uptrend. What's going on? There we go. That's how you know it's in an uptrend. See that? That's how you know. Okay, what else? Okay, let me delete this. To be honest, I'm just gonna go see if I can see any patterns. Weekly chart, uptrend, daily chart. Okay, so it's been in this consolidation for a minute now. It's quite interesting. It's been consolidating for a minute now. This is the clear support. It's clear resistance. The wick went to a high of here, so that's the resistance point that it went to. The low went to as low as here, so you can see 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Obviously, we're going to mark this as the resistance since the candle body, the actual candle body, is underneath that, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's consolidating at the moment. Consolidating. It's even got a mini resistance point here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a rectangle. So it's got a few resistance points. It's got this one here that's refused to break out. It's got this resistance point. It's got this resistance point, and it's got that resistance point. So it went up, went down, touched here, went up. Was moving around a little bit, then we went back down, bullish engulfing all the way to the upside, came back down, had a fake out, came all the way back down, retested this bit. Okay, so there's a resistance point here. Look, you can see a resistance point here as well. Sorry, a support zone here. Look, can you guys see it? So, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. You can see it as clear as day. So the question is, what are we expecting? Maybe what I could do, I could trade off these small moves. I can see what it does here. If it goes down, then I'll sell it down till it touches that support zone. If it bounces up, maybe I'll buy it. If it breaks through that, then maybe I'll buy it. See what it's saying on the 1 hour. It's bounced off it. Look, bounced off it once. Okay, bounced off it once. No. 1, 2, 3. Look. Where the hell is it gone? Okay, but you guys kind of get why I'm doing that, right? Look. Touch number 1, touch number 2, broke past, retested this, support. So that's clear support. I'd call this a mid-level support. Touch here, bullish engulfing on that support. Went all the way up, came back down, retested. Bearish engulfing on that support. Yeah. Fake out. Almost looks like a head and shoulders, to be honest. So the shoulder. Yeah, that looks like a head and shoulders. Look, this is the shoulder. That's the neckline, right? That's the head. That's the rally. Neckline. Left shoulder. Bullish engulfing. That's crazy. And then after it bounced off here, now it's bouncing off there. Blue line is underneath the red line. I don't know. Anything can happen here, to be honest. Anything can happen. But we've got clear support, clear resistance, clear outer support, clear resistance. Sorry, the top is resistance, the bottom is support. It's interesting. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see what the chart patterns are saying. Maybe the chart patterns will show us something. Because technically that is a box range, right? So 1, 2, 3. It's touched the top 3 times, but refused to break out. But look how many times it reacted to this bit. 1 breaks out. This is a head and shoulders. This is a neckline. Look. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So what do head and shoulders tell us? Head and shoulders tell us that it's going to break out, right? But it didn't do that. It retested this area and then came back down. And then obviously you have this blue line underneath the green line. Sorry, this blue line underneath the red line. What I'm thinking, what my bias may be, is I think what I'll do, I'll wait till it reaches this resistance zone, see what it does. But then maybe I should ride these waves. Look, it's now starting to turn. Because it's retouched that bit, right? So you know what I might do? I think what I'll do, one of my trading plans for Gbp USD, ride the waves, breakout, imminent on the down side or upside. Look, things are starting to turn. Okay, you know what? So on the 50-minute, it shows the moving averages slightly crossing over. 1 hour, moving averages on the downside, but you can see it kind of curving. But look, this is something that I find interesting. Look at this. So you have a kind of trend going on here, either from am I bugging? Look, so there's clear support, The reason I think this is a trend line is because look, it's making higher lows. Yeah, it's making higher lows. This could be a trend line from here. Let me make it a different color because I don't want to get too confused with these colors. So I'm gonna make this. I've got red. I've had red too much. Or do I make it blue? I'll make this one blue. Look. Touch, 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 touch. I think I'm positive this is gonna break out. Yeah, I'm positive this is gonna break out. What I might do, I'll place a buy on this. I'm positive. But you know what I'll do, I think I need some sort of confirmation on the 15-minute time frame that this will break up. So obviously the moving average is crossing over. I'm just writing down ascending triangle, pattern, forming. I swear it's crazy because I'm pretty sure I've seen this exact pattern on I've seen this exact pattern on a QBanks video where there's clear resistance, clear support, and then the bottom of the support is making new highs or lower highs, and then now the moving averages is crossing over after it being in a downtrend. So I feel like I'm just gonna buy it. Yeah, 100%. Gonna trust my trade analysis and just buy it. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. It's not that serious. What do I want to buy in now? Maybe when it hits here. I'll do maybe around there. Okay, it's already been hit. Anyway, maybe I should wait. I am a bit impatient when I go into trades. Very impatient. I don't know why I'm that impatient sometimes. But the thing is, I bought in at a 0.05 lot size. And the thing is, that's not good. What's going on? You know, let me not look at the flipping thing. Look, touch, touch. But maybe it wasn't the smartest idea to buy in right there, because it has to retest the trend line, right? It has to retest the trend line. So I shouldn't be surprised if I see it turning. You know what? Where I should have bought in. I should have waited for it to come back down, prove to me that it's going to retest this trend, bounce up, then I would have bought in. But I've already bought in. I can add to my position, or I can just cut my losses if the trade goes against me. So if the trade goes against me, if it breaks past this, I'll cut the trade short. If it bounces, I'll add to my position. So I'm just going to write that down. Crosses, trend line, cut your losses. Bounces off trend line with clear moving average crossover. And an engulfing candle. Buy it. Or no, add to position. So I'm expecting it to drop just to retest that trend line. The thing is, I don't know why I didn't. Obviously, I'm expecting it to retest the trend line, so I don't get why I just didn't sell, you know? I just let it retest and then buy on the bounce, or sell if it crosses. But I make it complicated for myself. Why? I don't know. Anyway, I don't want to watch this trade too much. Let's look at Dvp Jpy. So obviously it made that descending triangle, beautiful pattern. I love that pattern. I just love all the triangle patterns, to be honest. Like, all the triangle patterns are really good. Let's see. Ooh. I don't know if I'm seeing this though. I don't know if I'm seeing this right. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. And then boom. Yeah, that is a clear. That has to be. Yeah, that's a symmetrical triangle. Look, spotted it as soon as possible. How crazy is that? I'm gonna leave this thing here. But the thing is, has it retested? Because obviously it has to retest. And look, it's going down. Okay, so symmetrical triangle. We know symmetrical triangle. Bearish variant would be that one here. This one, touch once, touch twice, touch three times. Touch once, touch twice, touch three times. Has a little support, or is it? No, it has a little resistance here. And look, 1 hour, blue lines underneath the red line. 15 minutes, same thing. 5 minute. Yes, it's looking like a straight sell. I don't want to overthink it. It's just looking like a straight sell, honestly. So I might put a sell in on that one. You know, I want to just execute. I don't really care. Like, I genuinely don't care what happens. Look, I'm in the green for GBP USD. Oh no, I'm in the red. So I've got GBP USD's doing. Oh look, it doesn't want to retest that bit. Blue line's over the red line as well. It's made a little support and resistance here. Same thing here. It's got a little channel here. So there's a big breakout gonna happen, obviously. The thing is, I might add to this trade because I'm tired of these baby lot sizes of 0.05. I think I might do a 0.01. Sorry, a 0.1. Anyway, let me stop looking at GBP USD. I'll come back to that one later. Oh, look at this. Boom. It's breaking below. And that's a bullish engulfing, right? It looks like a bullish engulfing. It's breaking through. You know what, this reminds me of the video I watched with Trade and Get Paid, where he talks about how one pattern plays into another pattern. Look how this riser wedge has now formed a symmetrical triangle. And you know what? It's at an all-time high at the moment. Like, all-time high. Oh no, that's wrong. It's not an all-time high. But look, there's a clear... Okay, there's like a... So this is how high it went to back in 2018. It broke through that point. I think it's... Oh, maybe it's just trying to retest. Maybe it's just trying to retest that area. So it's trying to go all the way down. Let's look. Boom, it broke past. Wait, hold on. It broke past that bit. Came up, went down, came up, went down. I feel like it's trying to go down even more. Like I should really make a sell. But I don't know, there's just something that's telling me not to. I don't really have enough confirmation. I have the moving average crossover. I've got the chart pattern. It's already faking me out here. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced just yet. Nah, I'm not convinced. But the thing is, everything is telling me, look, you can even see it's kind of like an inverse bearish movement. Look. When you look at it, so it might bounce back up. This is looking like a strong sell. I see a cupping handle. That's a clear cupping handle, look. Inverse cupping handle, look. That one, right there. And I see that right there, inverse cupping handle. I see this chart pattern. Boom, symmetrical triangle. Bearish variant. What else? I see the blue line underneath the red line. Yeah, I think you should sell, Robert. Sell. But selling. Something's telling me to sell. Gbp Jpy. No baby stuff though. Let's go for the roll lot size. Let's go for 0.1. Sell. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, 0.1 sell limit price. You know what I want to see it do? I want to see it break past this point. So you know what? I'm gonna put it at this point. If it breaks past 15468, in fact, let's do 175. Let's do 175. I think that's fair. Wait, what? What's going on? That was wait. That's too high. Let's do it at 160. 60. Sorry. Oh man, they really do not want me to catch this short sell. Yeah. I've done that at 6-7. Nah, they're not letting me sell. They're not letting me sell. They're not letting me sell. Yeah, they're not letting me sell. They don't want me to sell. If I was to get in, I should have done it earlier. Yeah, I'm still confident. I'll try getting now. Yeah, they do not want me to sell, honestly. Yeah, I'm struggling to get this sell. So I put Gbp Jpy sell limit order 0.1 lot size at 154.689. It's refusing to. I think that's a fair point. Look, it's not gone through. It's really refusing to go through. I don't know why they do that. I really don't know why they do that. Let's look at GBP Ord. See what's going on there. It's like they're both refusing. GBP Ord. Look. GBP Ord has a rising wedge. The pattern is telling me sell. Moving averages are telling me sell. I don't like the look of the candlesticks. I don't like when the candlesticks look like that. Let's look at gold. Gold. I haven't got enough experience with gold at the moment. It just seems like one of those tricky patterns that you really need to master. Okay, so boom. So look, there was a symmetrical triangle, boom, 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 boom. On the sell, retest, that meant retraced. Nah, that wasn't a retrace. Let me not even touch gold at this moment in time. Forget gold at the moment. Let's look at GBP USD, see how that trade is doing. So the blue line's over the red line. Still an uptrend, mini uptrend. I feel slightly it may want to retest this trend line. But you know what I forgot to look at? Let's look at this investing.com and see what the news is saying. So FX volatility falls to pre-pandemic lows as traders wait it out. USD CHF price penetrates 0.898 support level, targeting 0.91. Dollar edges higher, inflation data in focus. Dollar up but subdued by continuing inflation jitters. Dollar dips as treasury yields subdued. Dollar battered, bruised but set to escape bearish clutches. Pound Japanese yen exchange rate dips as Japanese economic outlook improves. Strong Australian data sends Aussie higher. Strong Australian data sends Aussie higher. Pound Japanese yen exchange rate dips as Japanese economic outlook improves. So that's good for JPY. Dollar battered, bruised, and set to escape bearish clutches. So that's by investing.com, and I'm betting against that. I don't think. I feel like it's gonna break out. I feel like it's gonna break out. Dollar dips as treasury yields subdued. Dollar up but subdued by continuing inflation jitters. What does that mean, jitters? Gina Lee by Yazin. I don't know who these guys are. Dollar edges higher. Inflation data in focus. I'm just reading the chart pattern. That's it. JPY. Let's see what Gbp Jpy is saying. Look, it's broken past that resistance point it made itself. It really does not want me to put in a sell. Gbp Jpy. So I've tried again the Gbp Jpy 0.1 lot size at 154.676. Look, it's going down even more, but it's refusing. It's not letting me. Not letting me get in. .68. I tried to go for 154.68. Still refusing. Go on, touch it. It's going down even more. Nah, it's not gonna. This is not gonna be touched at all. I've tried 5.9 now. 0.659. I've tried 0.659. It's at 0.650, 0.649. It's refusing. It does not want to come up. And the thing is, it might cancel my order. I don't know. I'm trying to get the lowest order possible. Oh, maybe it touched it. Nah. Still, it's refusing. I put in 3 short sells for Gbp Jpy, but it's refusing to touch. You know what? Maybe it's because my lot size is too big. I don't know. Let me try with a small lot size. I'll try with 0.01. Sell limit price. I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, it's really, really not letting me. This is very, very annoying. I'll get in on market execution. 0.01 lot size. Just to get a foot inside. Sell by market. So they put me in at 154,671. Yep. So that's at 0.01 lot size. Even though, look, you can see what the chart pattern's doing. Look, it's going down. It wants to go down. It's even breaking past this resistance point it made for itself. It's struggling. To be honest, it's struggling to break past that point. To be honest. Yeah. What about Gbp Jpy? This has to retest. Honestly, I genuinely don't see it. It has to retest. It just does. It's breaking past that zone. Oh, it's retested that area. Blue line is still underneath the red line. Bullish engulfing on this area. Or maybe I just drew the chart pattern wrong. You know what that kind of looks like? It looks like a piercing pattern on the 1 hour. Bullish engulfing, look how crazy is that? Yeah, I see this whole area being filled. I'd make a buy, to be honest, on GBP Ord. Maybe make a buy on GBP Ord, just for now. Thing is, I don't have the confirmation. I need more confirmation than that. Oh, look. So on the 1 minute chart, it's going all the way up. I'll let it retrace a little bit, and then I'll get in on the retracement. Since Gbp Jpy wants to act up, I'll get in on the retracement. Let's see what Gbp USD is saying. Like I said, I'm not gonna take my loss unless it breaks past this trend line. I always expected it to retrace. But that's a big retracement though. Gbp Jpy, GBP Ord. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it. I'm not gonna buy at the top here. I'm gonna wait for it to come back down a bit. Because the thing is, it has to fill this area, right? Such a big area to be filled. I know the chart pattern is telling me it's a sell. See? Imagine if I bought in there, I'd be in the red immediately. Okay, I'm just going to stop this trade for now because I'm going to stop talking for a bit. I'll come back later, but that's the end of the stream for now. So I'm going to end these both at the same time, so at least I know where to put this recording. 3, 2, 1.